Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, Mr. Amaya.
Okay, in our previous class, we talked about different kind of food. Do you remember? Can you give me an example? Volunteers? Okay. Sorry? Grilled chicken. Very good. This is one of the examples. Yeah, I need one more example about the previous class. What else? Okay?
Soup chicken.
Soup chicken. Everybody repeat after me. Soup chicken.
Soup chicken.
Great job. Okay, today we have a different topic also regarding food. Repeat after me. Food containers
Food container
and quantities.
and quantities.
Okay, we are going to talk about food containers and quantities. Okay? Good. So I'm going to show you the pictures about food. So we talk about chicken, we talk about soup chicken, different kind of food, right? We also today are going to talk about some food, but also about containers. Containers, envases, okay? And quantities, cantidades. That's our class for today, okay? Good? Okay, I'm going to show you some pictures and you are going to guess. You're going to give me the meaning, okay? About each word. What is this?
Cheese.
Sorry?
Cheese.
Cheese. Very good. Cheese. What about this? Tomatoes? Yeah.
Tomato.
A can of tomato. Yeah. A can of tomato, which is a container, right? Container. Tomato. Very good. Next, we have? Sorry?
Banana.
Banana. Yes, banana. Very good. What about this, guys? What about this? Doña Maria, Faisan, what is that? Rice. Very good. Repeat after me. Rice.
Rice.
Good. What about this? Eggs. Everybody repeat after me. Eggs.
Eggs.
Good. What about this one? Sorry? Bread. Repeat after me. Bread.
Bread.
What about this?
Carrot.
Sorry? Carrot. Everybody repeat together. Carrot.
Carrot.
Good. What about this? Coffee. Everybody repeating. Coffee.
Coffee.
What about this? What about this? Repeat after me. Meat.
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 Good. What about this one?
Water.
Bottle of water. Yes, water. Everybody repeating. Water.
Water.
Good. What about this one?
Milk.
Milk. Milk.
Milk.
Milk. Very good. This one. Sorry? Yes? Beans. Everybody repeat. Beans.
Beans.
Very good. What about this one? Cantaloupe. Everybody repeating after me. Cantaloupe. And cheese again. Okay, very good. Good job, guys. Clap for you. Excellent. Okay, so as I said before, we are going to talk about containers and quality. About what? About food. Okay, different containers and quality. Okay, now that we are familiar with the vocabulary, we are also going to learn more words and we are going to learn about, repeat after me, countable and non-countable nouns. Okay? Here we go. Well, guys, now we are going to talk about, repeat after me, count,
Count.
count,
Count.
and no count,
And no count.
nouns.
Now.
Entonces, vamos a hablar de count nouns, sustantivos contables, and no count nouns, sustantivos no contables. Okay? Ready? Okay, first we are going to practice pronunciation. So please, everybody, repeat after me, okay? Carrots,
Carrots.
eggs,
Eggs.
bananas,
Bananas.
tomatoes,
Tomatoes.
cantaloupes,
Cantaloupes.
Oranges.
Oranges.
Rice.
Rice.
Beans.
Beans.
Milk.
Milk.
Meat.
Meat.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Water.
Water.
Oil. Okay, now you are going to repeat and I'm just going to listen. 1, 2, 3.
Carrots.
Eggs.
Eggs. Bananas. Tomatoes. Cantaloupe. Oranges. Rice. Beans. Milk. Coffee. Water. Oil.
Meat.
Meat.
Good job. Clap for you guys. Okay, so now you are clear about countable and non-countable nouns. So now let's talk about the use of how much and how many. Okay, remember that how much is for quantities and containers, and we use how many for countable now, carrots, eggs, etc. So here we have some examples. So again, we are going to practice pronunciation, okay? Repeat after me. A liter of milk.
A liter of milk.
A liter of milk.
A liter of milk.
Liter
Liter
of milk.
milk.
Good. A bottle of water.
A bottle of water.
A loaf of bread.
A loaf of bread.
A pound of cheese.
A pound of cheese.
A pound of rice.
A pound of rice.
Remember, we use how much for non-countable. Remember, rice, I cannot say 1 rice, 2 rice, 3 rices, etc. Right? I can't. So that's why I use how much. It's the same with milk, right? Milk. I can say 1 milk, 2 milk, etc. No, I can't. So that's why they are non-countable. And we use for non-countable how much. Now, let's see the opposite. Remember, how many we use for numbers. 1, 2, 3, etc. Right? So, example, we have banana. I can say 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, etc. Repeat after me. 3 bananas.
3 bananas.
10 apples.
10 apples.
6 oranges.
6 oranges.
4 eggs.
4 eggs.
And listen, in this case, sometimes we use how many, but when we talk about containers, okay? Recipientes. For example, a box of apple, a box, like this. Okay, a box. People say box, but it's not box, it's box. Repeat after me, box. Box. Very good. So, when we talk about containers, we can say a box of apples. Repeat after me, a box of apples.
A box of apples.
Good. And then we can also say a can of tomato.
A can of tomato.
A can of tomato. Remember, a can is una lata, right? A can of tomato, right? Very good. So I can say 2 cans of tomato, 3 cans of tomato. Is the same here. A box of apples, I can say 2 boxes of apple, 3 boxes of apples. Right? Good? Are you clear about how much and how many? Are you clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. So now we are going to do an exercise in which you are going to put in practice this. How much and how many. Ready?
Ready.
Good. Ready, guys? Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. So now I need 1 person from team A and 1 person from team B, right? So what exactly you are going to do? You are going to use how much or how many to fill in the blanks, okay? To fill in the blanks, how much and how many. Repeat after me. How much?
How much?
How many?
How many?
Good. So if you got more than 3 points, you are the winner, okay? If you got more than 3, remember that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different sentences. Questions, sorry. And then you, if you got more than 3, so you win, okay? Ready? Good. 1 person from team A. 1 person, volunteer. Raise your hand. Okay, go to the board. Hurry up. Let's see. Team A, says, team A, that how many rice do you have? Is it right or is it wrong? It's right or it's wrong? It's wrong. Okay, go to the board and correct number 1. Okay? Very good. Clap for him. Good. So point for group B, okay? 1 point from group B. Okay, now one person from this group. Good. So let's do number 2. Ta-da-da-da. Let's see. Okay, how many tomatoes does he need? Is that correct? Yes. Okay, clap for her. Clap. Very good. 1 more point. So now you got 2. Okay, one more person from team A. One volunteer. Okay, go to the board. Hurry up, hurry up. How many apples does he want? Very good. Clap for him. Excellent. Good job. Okay, one person from this group. So 1 point from team A. Okay, now team A, go to the board. Sorry, team B. Volunteer. Okay, go to the board. And yes. Good job. Okay, clap for him. Good. How much water is there? Excellent. So this is team B. One more. Very good. One more person from this group. Team A. One volunteer. Okay, go to the board. How many coffee do they need? Is that correct? Is it right or is it wrong?
Yes.
It's wrong. Okay, go to the board and correct. Very good. Clap for her. Okay, one more point from team E. Okay, now you have 4. Good. So now one more person from this group. Let's do the last one, or from group B. Okay, go to the board. How much use do you like? Very good. Clap for them. Okay, good. So one more. So now team B wins. You wins. You are the winner. Clap for them, guys. Clap for them. Very good. Okay, now let's back to your seats. Let's back to your seats again. And yeah. Good job, guys. And now remember, we are going to review that we use how much for non-countable, and rice is not countable. Ready? Okay, now we are going to practice pronunciation. Repeat after me, please, everybody. How much rice do you have?
How much rice do you have?
Number 2, how many tomatoes does he need?
How many tomatoes
Does he need?
does he need?
How many apples does he want?
How many apples does he want?
Want. How much water is there?
How much water is there?
How many coffee do you like?
How many coffee do you like?
Is it right?
How many
Is it right? How many coffee?
do you like?
Coffee is countable? No, it's not, right? So it's how much? Very good. There was a mistake. How much? Very good. And number 6, how much use do you like? How much use do you like? Use do you like? Very good. Clap for you guys. Excellent. Good job. Okay? So now I'm going to show you a dialogue I'm going to show you a dialogue, and one of you is going to be, you're going to work in pairs, okay? You are going to work in pairs, and one of you is going to be the buyer. Repeat after me. Buyer.
Buyer.
El comprador. And the other is going to be the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper. El vendedor, ¿verdad? De la tienda. Very good. So, ready? Okay, here we go. Well, now we are going to practice pronunciation about the dialogue. Remember, you are going to work in pairs. One of you is going to be the buyer and the other is going to be the shopkeeper. Okay? Ready? Okay, let's practice pronunciation right now. Good morning.
Good morning. What do you need?
Okay, listen to me. No, you're going to repeat after me. Okay? Then you're going to do it. Okay, everybody together now. Everybody, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. What do you need?
Good morning. What do you need?
Tomatoes and juice.
Tomatoes and juice.
How many tomatoes?
How many tomatoes?
6 tomatoes.
6 tomatoes.
How much juice?
How much juice?
10 liters.
10 liters.
Here you go.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Okay, now listen to me. Now you are going to be the shopkeeper. You're going to be the shopkeeper and I'm going to be the buyer. Okay? Now I'm going to practice pronunciation about the buyer and you are going to practice pronunciation about the shopkeeper. Ready?
Ready.
Good. Good morning.
Good morning. What do you need?
Tomatoes and juice.
How many tomatoes?
6 tomatoes.
How much juice?
10 liters.
Here you go.
Thanks. Okay, ready? Clap for you guys. Very good. Okay, now remember, you are going to work in pairs. You with him, you with her, you with her, you with her, and so on, right? Okay, get together now. And you are going to copy the dialogue, and then you're going to come here in front and say it. Okay? Ready?
Ready.
Okay, get together now. Get together, yes. Get together. In pairs, en pareja. Pairs. Well, guys, now I need 2 volunteers to come here in front of the class, and one of you is going to be the shopkeeper, and the other is going to be the buyer. Volunteers now.
Teacher.
Okay, go here, in front of the class. Okay? Everybody, just listen. Okay? You are going to listen only.
Good morning. Good morning. What do you need? Tomato and you? How many tomatoes? And 6 tomatoes. How much juice? 10 liters. Here you go. 10.
Good. Clap for them. Very good. Good job. Excellent. Okay, guys. That's all for today. And remember, we are going to make a general review about that. We use how much? We use how much for countable or non-countable. How much? How much? ¿Contables o no contables? How much? Contables? Rice? How much rice? How much? Okay, how much? Non-countable. Very good. We use how much for non-countable. And non-countable are rice. What else? Rice, beans, water, yes, coffee, etc. Okay, now we use how many? How many for countables, right? And can you give me example of countable nouns? Tomatoes, apples, bananas, carrots, etc. Very good. Clap for you guys. Excellent. So now we are going to have the homework. Okay? Any questions so far? Any question? No question. Good. Very good, guys. You did a very good job today, and here's the homework. Please, everybody copy the homework, please. Yes. Okay, guys, now listen to me. Everybody pay attention now. So you're going to do a similar dialogue like the first that we did. You're going to work in pairs, okay? You're going to get together and you are going to use the same vocabulary, or you can use other things like work in pairs and bring a dialogue using other count nouns. You can use other different count nouns and no count nouns too, okay? Ready?
Ready.
Good. Thank you for coming. Clap for you guys. Good job.